Hello, this is Johnny Vlogger. Welcome to another video, and we are in another area of Tenerife, Puerto de La Cruz. We are in a place called La Paz, which is, there's a map here. This is Puerto de La Cruz. I'm sort of staying over this area near the bus station, and we're over the east side. It's the main road as you come in. We're here. So we've got Plaza Laurel as a garden up the road. And then where we are here, there's loads of bars all around this area. There's loads of bars. Look, I'm looking all down there. There's loads down there. There's loads up there. And there's loads going down that way. So where do we start? Shall we walk up here? We'll have a walk up here. So I just got the number... what was it? I think it was 30. Number 30 from Tenerife North Airport to here. It only took about half an hour. We've got a nice bar over there, Casa Pepe 1934. There you go. We got Zebra Maria Pizzeria. This looks a nice little restaurant, doesn't it? Zebra Maria. Look at that for a bar. We've got a mini golf club round here. There's a place you can get your nails done there. Julipan Nails. We've got mini golf lounge bar, restaurant grill. German, Spanish, English, Swedish. This looks pretty cosy. Might have a look through in there in a minute. So what we got here then? We got pizzas. Octopus salad in vinegar, is it? Pasta, spaghetti, macaroni. Chicken escalope, grilled meat, sausages, chicken, pork, steak pork, sirloin steak, €18, fish and paella, homemade desserts. So that's at the mini golf lounge bar. We got the chemist here. So I'm not sure if you can actually play golf in there. Canary Centre. Looks like there's a load of shops and bars around here. Looks like it's all closed though. Maybe it's open in the day. There's a little doggy down there. Woof, woof. Hello. Hello, Johnny Vlogger. So this is obviously a mini shopping centre. I went past this morning, it looked quite busy on the bus when I went past. Edelweiss restaurant. Edelweiss? Looks like it's closed. Jerry Weber. Tina's Friseur Stubby, however you pronounce that. Betty Barkley. Is this a dead end? Oh, we can walk round here. There we go, let's walk round here then. Boutique Mata Hari. Closed shop. What we got round here? Canary Centre, that's obviously where we are now, Central Commercial. This is the back. Going out the back. So you've got all these palm trees. Some benches and chairs, there's like a park there. This looks quite nice. So we was at the Canary Centre. Let's go back in. So we've walked through one section. Let's go around this part. So this is obviously a little bar. La Vinoteca. La Vinoteca. Little wine bar. Couple there having a drink of wine. Looks quite nice. Hola. What's this? Rosada, Blancos, Tintos, Papa's chips. Mustango coffee bar. Looks pretty. It's nice, isn't it? Lounge and coffee bar. Look at all these balconies up here. Look, all these Spanish balconies. It's like a little square. There's shops everywhere. There's shops everywhere. There's bars everywhere. It looks very German round here. I think there's a lot of Germans here. Austrians maybe. Got a little ramp here. The beauty space. That's obviously gone. We've got a little shop here. Doesn't have a name. Angel La Boutique. It's a pretty mirror, isn't it? Look at that mirror. Wow, look at that. Pretty. What have we got here? A shoe shop. Bags. Jose Zappa. Jose Zappa. You can smell the leather. Lots of leather in there. We've got a little restaurant here. König Pilsener. König Pilsener. 6:30 to 11. Maybe they're not open yet. It's oh, you're saying that it is 20 to 7. Yeah. Oh no, there's people in there. They are open. This is some sort of German restaurant. It's all in German. Can't read the writing. Never mind. There's no English menu. They don't put it in English. Why don't they put it in English? Spanish, English maybe, German. Chirula Arm. We've got a menu out here. Maybe they're booked up, maybe they're busy, I don't know. They're not letting people in. Never mind, Blanco Negro. So it's got shows you all the places that are here. So there you go, that's a little walk around the Canary Centre in La Paz. I'll end the video here and then I'll do another video in another area around here. So we're in La Paz. Puerto de La Cruz. Bistro Bar La Paz. Sweet shop. There we go. Lots of people here. I think I walked through that bit, didn't I? Or was it down here? It might have been down here. There we go. The sun's out, look at that, we've got glorious sunshine, blue sky, there's a bit of cloud up there, look at all that cloud up there. Well, it can all stay up there cloud, in the mountains. It's just right now, the temperature. There we go, so I'm going to end this video now, thanks for watching. It's 7:15. 23rd of March. Does it say the temperature? No. But it's probably about 15-20 degrees. So if you like this video of La Paz, Canary Centre, click the thumbs up, subscribe button, Johnny Vlogger UK, and I'll see you in the next one. And then what I'll do, I'll carry on and film down here. Bye for now.